Okay, everyone wants to know about my Hot Wheel collection. So I'll tell you about my Hot Wheel collection in this video, okay? So understand at this point, these are the normal Hot Wheels, okay? The one we are seeing right now. But this is from USA, as you can say, guaranteed for life. As if it says guaranteed for life, it means it is from US only, because in US only you will see guaranteed for life, okay? But how to check which Hot Wheel you should buy, okay? How to check which Hot Wheel you should buy? Make sure that you have something like it says Land Rover Defender, okay? But here it just says Roadster and Revenger, so you don't have to buy this. You will go for something that you know with the name. Like here you can see it's Mod Mill, nope. 87, nope. You see Salt Shaker, this is the new one. You can get this for 180 rupees, guys. These are for 180 rupees. This is for 180 rupees, and these all you will get at 180 rupees. But once it comes to this and this, it's expensive. Why? Look at this, guys. What it says, Batmobile. What it says, Ferrari F40. It says Optimus Prime, okay? And it says McLaren. So okay, my favorite one is Optimus Prime because I watch Transformers. Okay, now moving forward again, 180 rupees, 180 rupees, okay? Carbonator Ultimate T-Rex. But once we get up, Ferrari 365, Ferrari F40. This is the same one on Amazon for 800 rupees approx. Okay, this is the Dark Knight Batmobile. This is again a Ferrari, and this is my favorite car, Bugatti Bolide. Okay, so this is how it goes, guys. This is how it goes, and this was what I had in my mind. Okay, now let me show you the collections, the 5-pack. Okay, this is for Batman, and this is for F1. This costs around 3500 rupees. It costs around 3500 rupees on Amazon, and it costs around like 2000 rupees on Amazon. Okay, if anyone wants to buy this, guys, Hot Wheels, they can tell me. But this is how it works. You have to check how, like if you want to check which of the car is here. Okay, so you can see, like this is McLaren, this is Alpine, this is Red Bull Racing, this is Sauber, and this is Haas. Okay, so this is how it works, like here. Okay, and do not buy this Hot Wheel, guys. This, like, this is cool, okay? You will find it cool, okay? It looks good and everything. Oh my god, look at it. It has like capitally out, no like it is convertible car, okay, and everything. But these are normal cars. You should always go with something that you know, like Land Rover, okay, Ferrari, Optimus Prime, and McLaren. Optimus Prime is 2500 rupees on the Amazon, but you can get at much cheaper price, okay? But you have to find it, okay? So this is how it goes.